लाइमलाइट का एक्सक्लूसिव सॉलिटेयर ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन न सिर्फ इको फ्रेंडली है पर अफोर्डेबल भी। ये CVD डायमंड है, वर्ल्ड्स प्योरेस्ट डायमंड, मेड इन इंडिया। देखने जरूर आइए।
3 of you play a game with Ananya.
एज एक, लव एक, हीरे एक, आई कैन हियर यू, एक हीरे, चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत, आई हैव नो आइडिया, एक हीरे, ज्वेलरी, हीरा, हीरे को
जितना
जिसका
जितना जितना जितना
चिंता,
जीतना जीतना जी
कम बैक, गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन, हीरे, हीरे, मोती मैं ना जानू।
So today's episode of Limelight Diamonds Presents Fans Festival only on Galata, India is extremely special. Why? Because before I introduce her, I'm going to do what she does best. If you've seen the trailer, you would know it. She's bae, she's here to slay, eat, sleep and pray. And of course, seizing the day today, Ananya Pandey joins us for this episode of Limelight Diamonds Present Galata India Fans Festival. There she is! Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Bella?
Hey guys, hi. What's up?
What's up with you? I dressed up for you today, by the way.
Same, I'm matching. We both have things hanging off clothes for some reason. Hey.
What's up? We can start now, guys. So yes, there are a lot of fun things that we have planned as always, because यहाँ पे हम अनन्या को नहीं आपको गिफ्ट देने वाले हैं. We are gonna make 3 of you play a game with Ananya, and the winner gets a hamper. Now, what is in the hamper? I'm not gonna say right now. But Ananya, do you want to pick the 3 people?
On what basis? Like, do I need strength? Do I need I'm very competitive.
You are just you're just our main character.
Oh.
They will play a game.
Okay. किसको खेलना है? You know, you were
सबको
very excited. That girl. One boy I'll have to pick na. You stood up and also you come only then. Oh my God! Don't know. You choose the last person. I chose now 2 people.
I'll choose. अरे गाली मत देना मुझे. उधर किसको पिक किया था? Who did
That
you pick?
girl, that one, the middle one. Sorry, blue t-shirt. You. Yes, you. Yes.
Come. She's not
You.
believing it. That
Black dress.
Okay, let me ask a question about Ananya.
Whoever knows this answer about me.
Okay. What is Ananya's favorite
Food.
food?
Guys, you want to play Nahid? My friends also know I talk about it all the time.
You have to just answer.
Someone said butter chicken. That's what my manager said. Okay, now y'all have all lost this game. Okay, what's my dog's name? Yes, right. Yes, see now, she won. Her. Guys, very disappointed in y'all. It's butter chicken. Next time someone asks y'all.
Butter chicken. किसने बोला तो था butter
My
chicken?
manager said it.
Wow. Come. You 3 come.
But what's the game?
I'm gonna tell you. It's the whisper challenge, guys.
Very bad at this game.
That's why. So, can we have your names, please?
I'm Yana Masrani.
Yana Masrani.
Ooh, Yana. That's a nice name.
My name is Rushika.
Rushika.
My name is Nishant Tharwani.
Nishan Tharwani.
Nishan.
Okay. Nishan Tharwani. Okay, these are the 3 people who will play this. There are 3 lines written on these placards. You guys will select 1 each. ताकि आप लोग बोल नहीं पाओ कि मैंने चीटिंग की है. आपकी किस्मत में आपने जो लाइन लिया, अगर 2 वर्ड का है तो आप 2 वर्ड बोलोगे, 7 वर्ड का है तो 7 वर्ड बोलोगे. बट याद रखना कि अनन्या को गेस कराना है. अनन्या विल बी लिसनिंग टू योर ओन सॉन्ग एंड दे विल बी सेइंग द लाइन एंड शी हैज टू गेस इट. समबडी फ्रॉम आवर टीम विल टाइम इट एंड whoever makes her guess it.
I am very bad at this game.
That's why.
Okay.
You really think I have already played this game with you? Do you know that?
But I'm also very competitive. So.
But you compete करो, अब जिताओ इनको
I
अपने
have to make
fans
one of you
को.
all win. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
1 by 1 we'll call you. So you guys be here 1 by 1. Yana will start first. You have to just say it. If it's Ananya Pandey is bae, you have to say Ananya Pandey is bae. And slowly. Okay, so we'll start with you in 3, 2, 1, go.
I. Age. Love. एक. I can hear you. एक. दिन.
आस्ते आस्ते इतने जोर से नहीं.
एक. चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत.
हीरे
No, don't use a mic.
Okay.
एक what? Cake. Break. I have no idea. एक दिन. Reel. How many words is it? I'll never guess it. It's long. Is it a film dialogue?
No.
शादी, अंगूठी, रिंग. एक रिंग. ज्वेलरी, हीरा. एक हीरा. बस. एक हीरा ही काफी. की परख. एक
जोहर
सोहनहार.
जोहर
जूलर.
जोहर
ही कर सकता है. को ही पता है. होगा.
हाँ.
That was really tough. But I knew this muhavra.
We will keep that time. It's एक हीरे की परख सिर्फ एक जौहर ही को होता है. तो I want to ask you this because Karan Johar has played a very, very important role in your life and in your career. This is produced by Karan. How does it feel to know Karan the person? A lot of people have perceptions about him as well, right? You know Karan in a way that many people don't. How does it feel to know Karan the person? And how do you think it's, like you said that your character and you are not similar. What do you think about Karan that people perceive is not really him?
You know, Karan, no matter what time in the day you call him, no matter where he is, he will always be there for you. He's really there for the people, you know, that he loves and that he watches out for. He's been the strongest pillar of support. And also, Karan is very honest. He will never bullshit you. He'll never tell you something that's not true. If your performance is not good, if he feels like you shouldn't do some movie, which is his own, you know, production, he'll be very honest with you. So the honesty and the dependability,
Yes.
yeah, is the best thing about Karan.
Thank you so much. Yana, do you want to say anything to Ananya?
I really like your work.
Thank
and
you.
I'm really looking forward to watch.
Thank you. Please take all Yana fans and watch Call Me Babe. Please, please, please. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll get back to you if you win.
I'm going to make everyone win. That's my wish.
No problem. Can we have you?
Nishan.
Nishant. Chalo, which one do you want to pick?
हीरे हीरे
Ring.
No,
Heere.
you can't, huh? Cheating mat karo.
Heere.
हीरे
Again हीरे.
को
हीरे को.
को जितना
जिसका?
जितना जितना जितना
चिंता.
जीतना जीतना जी
चिटिया.
जीतना जीतना जी
Come back. Go say the next one. हीरे को.
जितना तराश
जितना जला दो.
तराशो
हीरे को जितना
तराशो
तराशो.
उतना ही
उसका.
उतना
उनका.
उतना
सोना.
उतना उतना उतना
हु.
उतना उतना
रूप. हूर.
उतना उतना
Everything is about a हीरा.
Yeah.
Okay.
हीरे को जितना
I know this is a मुहावरा.
Yeah.
Yes.
हीरे को जितना तलाशो
उतना
ही
चमकता
चमकता है. This हीरा is too much.
But you are very good. He's like gone, na. You should just
Very
say,
good.
it's a-
Nishan. निशाने पर तीर मारना
Do you have
आपसे
anything
कोई
to
सीखे.
say?
I felt very nice to meet you. Can we
Same
take a
here.
picture
Yes.
if you are? Okay.
Come.
Thank
Thank you. Please watch the show.
What's your name again?
Rushika.
Rushika. So the song is playing. Here you go. You've got the easiest one.
Hira.
No, you can't do that.
Okay, Hira.
हीरे की.
Huh?
हीरे की.
He.
हीरे
हीरे मोती मैं ना जानू हीरे की
चमक
चमक
Don't act.
छुपाए
छुपाना
छुपाए छुपाए
छुपाई नहीं जाती
छुप-
नहीं
छुपती
नहीं छुपती
You are the Hira. You have won.
I think everyone should get a hamper but
Everybody should get a hamper? Okay. We'll figure that hamper right after this event is over. But, Rushika, while Ananya felt that it would possibly be very unfair to you, I don't think I really need to ask the timings, but just because we are supposed to do it, I'm going to say the timings for each of you. So,
you made
can we
this
have
the
the
Olympics,
timings?
I must say.
Okay, so Yana has taken 1 minute 46 seconds, 46.8 seconds. Nishant has taken 1 minute 4.8 seconds.
You took
And let's just give a huge round of applause to Rushika because she's just taken 24.79 seconds. Woohoo! And of course, I'm gonna get a hamper for you. We'll call you Bay from now because
Yes.
Bay is gonna give you this hamper.
Oh, I'm giving it.
This hamper has a diamond pendant for you.
Oh my god.
And because we said Hira, you are the Hira today and you get a Hira from our Hira, Ananya Pandey.
Wow.
This has a diamond.
That's quite an awesome gift.
Rushika, before you go, let me just tell you that you've just won a dazzling solitaire pendant from Limelight Diamonds, India's largest lab-grown diamond jewelry brand. They have the finest and the widest range of solitaire jewelry, stunning designs actually. And if you want more for your family members, please go to any of their stores. They have 20 across. Wow, good. They have 20
She
stores
should become the
across
ambassador
India.
also of
And
Limelight.
definitely you can log on to their website, which is www.limelightdiamonds.com. And I'm happy that we could do this for you. I hope you
Fab.
felt happy.
You good.
Clap for Rushika! Woo!
Friends are the real diamonds. They're like, yeah, हमें actually diamonds चाहिए, but what?
Like, they make jokes like this.
Yeah, when I say it's my birthday, what's my present? They're like, we are the present. Actually, I do that.
Limelight Diamonds is India's largest lab-grown diamond jewelry brand. Lab-grown diamonds are 100% real diamonds and same as natural diamonds, just with a different origin. They can also save up a lot of your money, lot of your fuel, energy, soil, and the environment. Well, that's why they're sustainable. And Limelight lab-grown diamonds actually have the widest and the finest solitaire jewelry. Stunning designs, we bet you. So you can just go to any of their stores. They have 20 across all over India. Or you can just log on to www.limelightdiamonds.com.
Limelight का exclusive solitaire jewelry collection ना सिर्फ eco friendly है पर affordable भी। ये CVD diamond है world's purest diamond, made in India। देखने जरूर आइए